Welcome back to Travel My Kashmir. Are you planning a trip to Kashmir? Don't let packing stress you out. In this video, I'll tell you exactly what to pack for a comfortable and hassle-free journey to paradise on earth. First things first, your packing list depends on when you're visiting. Let's break it down season-wise. For summer, April to September. 1. Light cotton clothes for the daytime. 2. A light jacket for chill evenings. 3. Sunglasses, sunscreen, and a hat. 4. Comfortable walking shoes. For winter, October to March. 1. Heavy woolen clothes and thermals. 2. A thick jacket or down coat. 3. Gloves, a woolen cap, and warm socks. 4. Snow boots for walking in snow. No matter the season, some things are essential for every trip. Personal toiletries and medicines. Power bank and extra phone batteries. ID proof and travel permits, especially for areas like Gulmarg and Sonmarg. A high-quality camera or smartphone for capturing memories. Planning a perfect Kashmir trip can be overwhelming. That's where we come in. Travel My Kashmir offers the best travel packages, customized itineraries, and seamless arrangements for your dream vacation. Let us handle everything so you can just relax and enjoy the beauty of Kashmir. Here are a few extra tips to make your trip even better. Carry some cash, as ATMs may not be available in remote areas. Pack snacks for long road trips. Always check the weather forecast before packing. Now that you know what to pack, your Kashmir trip will be smooth and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Travel My Kashmir for more travel tips. See you in Kashmir soon.